Hi guys, so this video is for all the CA foundation students who unfortunately could not make it through your July 21 exams. If you're one of them, just stay tuned for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Now most of you ended up scoring somewhere in the range of 170 to 210. Not that you are not capable to clear, just that this time maths paper was difficult and few other papers, for some of you it was difficult and you were not able to get the aggregate score. Just look at this trend. The last few attempts of ICAI CA Foundation, it was 50% when CA Foundation first was initially launched in new syllabus. Then pass percentage dropped to somewhere in the range of 40s. Then 2 attempts back it dropped to 35%. And now in the latest attempt, the pass percentage came down to 26%. So it's a declining trend, meaning ICAI is clearly communicating that they're making things strict, meaning does not mean you can't clear, you just have to put the right effort. So what we are doing at Insight Commerce Studies is, we are launching a crash course for December 21 exams for CA Foundation. This is going to be in purely exam oriented approach. Now, I understand that most of you want to clear. Some students will need guidance in all the subjects. Some require guidance only in a few subjects. So now this video is for those students who want to clear, who need some kind of an additional support. I want to get through CA Foundation somehow. So if you're going to take up all subjects, it's different. Few subjects, just 1-2 subjects is different. Now, what we have done is, I'm not going to keep a fees and ask you to join the class. The first 1 week to 10 days, classes will be free. The first 1 week to 10 days, you don't have to pay a single rupee. You can just join the WhatsApp group or Telegram group we create. We will give the link in the description of this video. Just join the group. Classes will start from September 24th and it will go on until November 25th. It will go on for 2 months, for 60 days, and daily we will have 4 hours class in the afternoon from after lunch till evening 5:45 p.m. The first 10 days, I don't want you to pay a single rupee. Just come and attend the first 10 days for free. 10 days you attend for free. You will know how this class is going to be helpful. What we are going to do is, it's going to be for 240 hours. Practice a lot of past exam questions. Quickly revise the concepts because most of you already know the concepts. It's not a regular batch. We will quickly revise the concepts, solve a lot of past exam questions. Mainly, you will write a lot of tests. So the class features will be, you will have weekly at least 2 tests. Some weeks you will have 1 test based on how the class flow goes. Then you will have personal attention. We will see your answer papers. Individually we will guide you how you have to improve. We will also take your certified copies, tell you where you can improve in these subjects. We will solve a lot of questions, and the batch will also be online live. Plus recording option also is available for you. Everybody who joins the class will get recording in mobile app with unlimited views until your exams. You will also get hard copy of material, plus there's also face-to-face option for limited students in Anna Nagar, Chennai. We have a classroom over here. Now to do all of this, to conduct weekly tests, for personal attention, for certified copies, for online live, to give you unlimited recording access, material, there will be some minimal cost we have to incur. I'm not asking you to pay it right away. Unlike other places where you have to pay the full fees, we are giving you individual subjects. Sir, I want only maths, I want only law, I want only accounts, one subject. Then you just have to pay 1,500 rupees for the entire subject, including all taxes, everything, material. I want all subjects. I want weekly test for all subjects. Test series alone will cost you close to 5,000. Test series plus class plus recording, everything. Nominal fee, not for any profit making intention. There is some cost we have to cover for recording, Google Drive, etc. A nominal cost of just 5,000 rupees for the entire all 4 subjects. This will be your fee. You will get all these features in the class, and as I always keep saying, registrations will close at around 50 students plus or minus 10 based on the request. So this will be a registration, and as you already know, existing Insight students don't have to pay anything. They can just come and attend the class and they will also be part of the batch. So this is about the batch. So those who are interested, mainly all these features more than me talking, just sign up for the class, take up the free class, first 10 days, see how the class is, then you will know. I don't have to talk anything beyond that. So my only objective is December exams. July didn't go well, it's fine. That's how CA courses. A simple small example. 1991 ICAI president, sir, that sir, he took 21 attempts. Venkatraman sir took 21 attempts to pass the exam. He became ICAI president, highly respected. CA course is one course where very few, you can count in numbers who clear all the 3 levels in first attempt, but people have gone to huge scales. Attempt matters only for the first job, so never lose your confidence. You will get through. If not July, December 21 will be your attempt. All we have to do is find out what went wrong, correct that with the right effort in this last 2.5 months. You can get there. So don't miss this. It's an opportunity for you to only for your career and not much profit making again. So thank you guys for staying till here. All the best for December 21 exams. Even if you don't join the class, you can always reach out to us for any kind of guidance. Always there to help you. So thank you.